Hello, my friends. I have some wonderful organization products to share with you today, and two quick things that we just added to our website. We've added the word incredible to our website. This was one of our Kit Club dies, and we've added a limited edition of a limited run of the incredible paper pad. Now this paper pad was really fun because it had the llamas on it. This one you could actually die cut and have those llamas cut out. So if you really like this one, get it quick because once it's gone forever. Now, are you ready to get organized? As you know, Tiffany from Totally Tiffany and I are like BFFs. We're like this. We love each other. We go on travel trips together. We visit when we go to HSN. I just adore her. And she has some amazing products. And I thought, you know what? I need to share with you, my club members and my customers, what I love about her products. Now, we offer them on our website, a lot of her products. Some of the things she has are just too big for us to ship, but the products that are thin and small that we can ship pretty easy, we have on our website. This is one of my favorite things. This is called the Stamp Store and Go with Tray. Now this is holding how many of these? 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 21 of our mini ink pads. Now, yes, of course, it'll hold our larger ink pads as well. But what I like about this is when you open it up, it has a tray. So if I was just at home, I could just have them out like this in this cute little handy dandy tray, right? And then when I wanted to go somewhere, I could just slide this in, like if I was going on an airplane, because I go on those quite a bit, or I was going to a stamping convention or a crop or something. And look at that. Isn't that fantastic? Ready to go and so much fun. Now, those are available on our website. Also available on our website is this one. This is the Terry bag. Now, what do I have in this one? I have my markers in this one. I also have my favorite ink pad that is the archival ink pad, and I have my water brushes in here. I'm going to open this up. Nice Velcro on it. Open this up, and now I have all of my pens at my fingertips ready to go. And then when I want to close it up, I can just close it up and it is ready to go. So if I want it to go, if I want to go somewhere or if I want to stay home or whatever, it's ready and willing to go. Isn't that cute? I love this. I can even just leave it right there. Look at that. Now, another bag we have is the Teresa bag. This bag is perfect for our ink refills. So this holds 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 ink refills. Now, you might use this for something else. Tiff uses it for other things too. It also comes with a little tray on the inside. I don't want to take it out because it's not really, well, I guess I could take it out, but look at that. So I could store that out and that could just be my little organization tray. And then when I'm like, oh, I'm going somewhere, I need my inks. I'm going to grab my inks, drop it in the bag, and I'm ready to go. Isn't that fun? It's all about getting organized, because if you're organized, you'll use your products more. So that is awesome. Now we also have this one, and this is the Shelly bag. Now Shelly is an interesting bag because mainly I would use this one for my washi tape. So I have washi tapes in this one, but then I thought, you know what? What about our cute little ribbon spools? Now, our ribbon spools will fit in here, but it kind of poofs it out a little bit. So just a heads up, if you're gonna store your ribbons in here, go for it. But it will poof it just a little bit. So when it closes, it's not going to close. Well, that closed all the way, but it poofs it just a little bit. Mainly, ideally for the little washies. And I have my thin washies in here. I have my thick washies in here. I have my fun glitter washi in here. I have all my washies in here, but I did want to show you that you can also hold your ribbons in here as well. So we're going to close that up. And ideally, I'd have 1 for ribbons and 1 for washi, or 5 for ribbons and 5 for washi. Now, these are bulky items. They do come flat, but they are bulky. If you buy one, shipping is going to be very sad, right? Because it's going to cost a lot to ship one of these. But if you put an order together in the United States and spend $100, so just keep it in your cart until you get to $100, then, hello, free shipping. Yay, because we stuff it in a big box and we'll pay the shipping if you spend $100. So get to a whole bunch of things in your cart, get to $100 to get free shipping. Doesn't get better than free shipping, right? Now, Ken also added onto my desk some other goodies that we have, that these are all very, very, very limited. Once they're gone for good. We usually only have a handful. So there is this fun one. Oh, and these little diamond things are very popular. This one's kind of like a blue, what's this one called? This is called the Blue Hues. It's got a lot of fun goodies in it. Go check out the website. There's lots of fun things on this one. This one is Bold Blues 2. So it's all about the blues in this one. Lots of fun. This one has lots of green items. This one's called Green Pack. And I wish you could see Cookie right now because my purse is on the floor and she's trying to get in it. Cookie, stop it. Whatever you are doing, stop. Okay, so here we have green ribbons. We have the cactus. We have lots of green, epoxy glitter dots in this one. Go check that one out. And this is a new one too. This one is called the Licorice Pack, dark black. And it has lots of fun things in it as well. Go check out these. Once the embellishment kits are gone, they're gone forever. So get those quick. Thank you so much. Go check out the website, thestampsoflife.com. Of course, club members, hello. You get the club discount on all the Tiff products. Woohoo! Right? I know she's awesome. I love her. Thank you so much, and I hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye.